The Realme Buds Q are lighter than a piece of paper. That's right, these come in at 3.6 grams. A typical piece of paper weighs about 4.3 grams. And remember, if this is the first time watching one of my videos, please be nice and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. The Realme Buds Q are a $79 pair of true wireless earbuds. A new addition to the Realme lineup, these will sync really well with any Realme products or any other device for that matter. Now, cheap earbuds are a dime a dozen these days, and that's why I'm always on the lookout for a quality pair of cheap to medium range earbuds that don't break the bank but still give you some good features. And that is why I'm happy to take a look at the Realme Buds Q. Now, firstly, I'd want to talk about the design. Now, these look great, they feel great, and they wear really well for extended periods of time. I've been wearing these for about a week to a week and a half, and these have been really comfortable for me for long periods of time. Whether I'm watching media, going for a walk, or playing some games, the comfort is up there. Due to their lightness and due to their nice, sleek design, they're well shaped, stylish, and comfortable to wear. Now, Jose Levy had a big part in designing these earbuds, and he's a well-known designer throughout the world. So you can tell this isn't just a whatever works situation. The Realme Buds Q are well made, well designed, and well thought out. One area for design to take into consideration is they're not made for running. I did run in these, but they did work their way out pretty quickly. But for most other exercises and activities, they stayed where they should and didn't fall out. And as you can see here, I'm moving around a lot, shaking my head, and they do not fall out. It's only when you do that repetitive running motion that they start to work their way out. Setting them up has been a breeze, and it comes down to that Realme Link application. Hooking them up, you just open the box, hold your finger down on each earbud for 5 seconds to put them in pairing mode, and then you just connect through the Realme Link app. It is that simple. Once you're connected, you can go in through the Realme Link app and customize the devices to work well for you. So 2 taps to pause or play music, 2 taps to answer a call, 3 taps to go forwards a song, and tap and hold for 2 seconds to summon your Google Assistant. Now, all of these you can change within the app itself. You don't have to stick with that setup. Customization is the key. 99 times out of 100, when I gave an instruction to the earbuds, it executed it perfectly. The only thing that was a problem was my finger to ear coordination. Now, moving on from there, we're looking at the battery life, and the battery life on these has been quite substantial. It says on the box that you get about 20 hours of battery life. You do have 400 milliamps of power within the charging case and 40 milliamps of power within each earbud. And they say 20 hours, and I have to say I'm on track to get that. Bearing in mind, I'm one of these folks that live in the city, and whenever I get home, I put my electronics on charge. So I haven't fully tested the 20 hours, but when I have let it go on a little bit, it looks pretty on cue. Now let's talk about the sound, and I must say that when it comes to sound, it's all objective, because what I hear is going to be different to what you hear, and that is what we need to consider here. But there are some norms that we're going to put up with, and some norms that we're going to accept or not accept. Now, the Realme Buds Q boasts a dynamic bass boost driver that comes in at 10mm. And from there, you get some really nice bassy sounds out of these earbuds. And I was quite surprised for their small design and their lightweight. And I was quite surprised that I got such a good bass out of those deep sort of R&B pop sounds. And I was really pleasantly surprised with that. The mids are right where they're supposed to be. The highs are right where they should be as well, not too shrill or tinny. They're right at the right level without going over the top. One thing I do want to mention is that the Realme Buds Q are very loud. I was getting to about 60% loudness before it was too loud for me, and I did notice there was no warning beyond that point to say that they're too loud. So it's something to consider. They are very loud, so that might be a good thing for you, but for me, 60% was my limit. You can really push these up really loud. Now, the in-call sound was good enough. Remember, these aren't active noise cancelling earbuds. These are just standard earbuds. And I could hear the other people on the other end of the line clearly, and they could hear me. You do have to consider, if you're driving along at 100 k's an hour with the window down, they're going to struggle to hear you. Or if you're riding your bike, people are going to struggle to hear you. These are earbuds, and they're made for, say, commuting, wearing around the house, at work in the office, you've got your earbuds in. One area I've really enjoyed using the Realme Buds Q was gaming, and with the 119 millisecond low latency, it was really enjoyable and gave me that true sort of feeling that I was immersed in the game due to that low latency. So that was one area I was really pleasantly surprised with, and that was due to their R1Q chipset. So my overall impression of the Realme Buds Q is a positive one. These are easy to wear due to their great design and fun to listen to due to that new dynamic bass boost and their new chipset. So whether you're already part of the Realme ecosystem or not, I do think that the Realme Buds Q can definitely find a spot within your little tech bag for while you're out and about. Something to consider if you're looking at a pair around that $60 to $100 range, they won't let you down. The Realme Buds Q are a great pair of earbuds. They're fun to wear due to their great design and really nice and pleasant to listen to, and they add that extra low latency for gaming. So overall, I'm really impressed with the Realme Buds Q, and I think you will be as well. That's it. I hope you enjoyed my review of the Realme Buds Q. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Check out.